Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is November 13th, 2024, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from ICU Medical, a leader in innovative medical products. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. ICU Medical has just released their third quarter 2024 results, and there's a lot to unpack, from revenue growth to updated fiscal guidance.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. ICU Medical reported a revenue of $589 million for the third quarter of 2024, which is an increase from $553.3 million in the same period last year. John, what does this tell us about the company's performance?
It's a positive sign, indicating growth across their product lines. The gross profit also increased to $204.9 million, up from $183.9 million last year, showing improved operational efficiency. However, the company reported a net loss of $33.0 million, or $1.35 per diluted share, which is a significant shift from a net income of $7.2 million last year.
Despite the net loss, the adjusted earnings per share came in at $1.59, slightly up from $1.57 last year. How should investors interpret this?
The adjusted EPS reflects the company's core operational performance, excluding one-time charges and adjustments. It suggests that the underlying business remains strong, even if the GAAP figures show a loss.
Product line performance. ICU Medical's revenue growth seems to be driven by its diverse product lines. Can you break down the performance by product line for us, John?
Certainly. The consumables segment saw a revenue increase to $264.9 million, up from $242.0 million. Infusion systems also grew to $159.8 million from $149 million, and vital care increased slightly to $164.5 million from $162.3 million. This broad-based growth across segments highlights the company's strong market position.
What does this mean for ICU Medical's competitive standing?
It indicates resilience and adaptability in a competitive market, with each segment contributing to overall growth. This diversification helps mitigate risks associated with reliance on a single product line.
Guidance and strategic outlook. ICU Medical has updated its fiscal year 2024 guidance. What are the key changes, and what do they imply for the company's future?
The company has revised its GAAP net loss guidance to a range of $130 to $122 million, reflecting some ongoing challenges. However, they've increased their adjusted EBITDA guidance to $355 to $365 million and adjusted EPS to $5.40 to $5.70, indicating confidence in their core operations and cost management strategies.
How should investors view this guidance update?
It's a mixed bag. While the GAAP figures show a larger loss, the adjusted metrics suggest that the company is on a solid footing operationally. Investors should focus on the adjusted figures for a clearer picture of the company's health.
CEO insights and market position. Vivek Jain, ICU Medical's CEO, mentioned that the third quarter results were generally in line with expectations. How does this align with the company's market position?
Jain's statement underscores the company's strategic execution and market resilience. Despite the challenges reflected in the GAAP loss, ICU Medical's operational efficiency has improved, as seen in the gross margin expansion from 33.2% to 34.8%.
What does this mean for ICU Medical's future in the medical products industry?
It positions them well to capitalize on future opportunities. Their focus on innovation and quality continues to strengthen their market position, making them a formidable player in the industry.
Key takeaways. To wrap up, ICU Medical has shown robust revenue growth and strong adjusted earnings despite a GAAP net loss. Their updated guidance reflects confidence in their operational strategies. John, any final thoughts?
ICU Medical's performance highlights their resilience and strategic focus. The positive adjusted metrics are encouraging, and investors should keep an eye on their execution in the coming quarters.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on ICU Medical's performance in the comments below.